This is the elevator at Robb and Stucky Furniture in Sarasota, Florida. We've got an Otis Series 1. We're gonna go down the 1. Let's start with a cab view. So it's pretty tall and looks like a hospital-sized cab, 4,500 pound capacity, so bigger than your average elevator. Let's listen to the motor. We're gonna go back down the 1. Here's your inspection certificate. Expiration date, August 2025. Here's your emergency phone. Again, Otis Series 1 fixtures. We're gonna end it back up at 2 where we started. We've got an Otis interlock up here. There it goes. And that'll be it.